Welcome to this video. As you know, I've been painting a small landscape painting in live sessions quite frequently these days. Live sessions are typically from Monday to Friday. And as Inktober is going on, which is typically designed for illustrators to get more practice with inking, I thought why not adopt the same concept to landscape painting. And anyway, in landscape painting, we do value sketches, which are very important for developing your coloring skills. Because once you get confidence of painting with right values, then adding color is quite easy because value is the most important aspect of any color. So what I've decided is that I will be making a sketch, which I usually do before I start the live painting. And in addition to that, what I will do now is paint a value sketch using just the black color and release that video for you so that you can practice before the live or even after the live session. It's my expectation that this will give you more practice if you do this exercises before the live painting so that you can participate more confidently in the live painting session. But even if you do them afterwards, they will give you a very good practice and your coloring skills will improve over time. So let's get started with painting the value sketch using this black color. And I will, though I paint my landscapes using gouache, which are opaque, and I use opaque white in that. In these value sketches, I have decided not to use the white color as much as possible. So I'll try to do things in the transparent way of workings. So let's get started. So I have this drawing already made here and I'm laying in the colors or rather the values as I want them. And I want if you can see, you can get some idea from the sketch here that this is the area which is supposed to have the highest contrast. So what I will do is I'm carrying over this color or this value over everything, and then I will gradually start adding darker values. Now let me get into slightly darker versions. Maybe this will be slightly darker than the mountain in the background. Some more black. And even though the color might look slightly bluish to you, I'm not adding any blue. Maybe because the water which I'm using to wash the brush or to thin the paint has some blue ink in it, which I was using before I started recording this session. So maybe that's why that tinge of blue is peeking through. No, I'm going gradually darker and darker. And as this is a value sketch, we don't need to have too many details, sharp details in that. I want this bunch of trees lighter than the one in the foreground. Maybe I should have painted it earlier. And this is actually not a lake or water. It's actually a farm. And so there is this, or a grass meadow. So there is something growing here which is supposed to be green. You will know it when we go get into painting of this painting based on this sketch. But I can even think of making it slightly lighter, pick up some of the color. So that would be my value sketch. It needs to be slightly darker. And because there is no color in it, it may not read as a bunch of trees, but that will become clearer when we paint this with color. And for that, I invite you to join me on the upcoming live painting session. And if you are watching this as a recording, the live might have already happened. So you can watch it as a replay on my YouTube channel. I hope this exercise of making a value sketch will give you some more practice and improve your colored paintings also. So that's it for this value sketch, and give it a try. This is the month of October, so I'm doing this as a thing to go with the ink illustrations which others are doing, and this will be converted into, or this will be painted as a colored version, colored landscape. So join me if you haven't already planned for it. If you are watching this on YouTube channel, and if you have not subscribed, then do subscribe to my channel. If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up, and most importantly, do the practice. See you in the next video. Thank you.